Hey G Squad, welcome back to Is It Worth It? Today's episode we got this comic here, and basically what this is the Coolify 3 from the Torras brand. If you guys seen my previous video, I actually reviewed the other one before, like the Coolify 2, the 2S, and also the L2 and etc. So I believe this is one of the latest products that they do have that's available at the moment. I show you guys the Coolify 2S and I'll probably compare that in a different video. For this video, I want to unbox this and show you guys what's included inside and give it a try to see what the difference is for this one here. So let's open this up and show you guys what's included. So once you guys open up, there's a box inside. If you guys open up this box, first thing inside right here, they do provide guys a cable that you can use to recharge it, which is USB to USB-C. And the cable itself feels pretty high quality or pretty decent. Inside right here, they do provide guys a bunch of user manual, teach you guys how to use it. And they do show you guys everything that's included for the line, for the Coolify line. So there's a Coolify, there's a Coolify 2, there's a Coolify 2S, and also the Coolify 3. I believe for this Coolify 3, it gives you guys a lot of different options available for cooling and heating from what I understand. But we'll figure out that to see whether that's the case. So right here, you see once you guys do get the package for the product, they do give you guys a case to store the product inside, which is really nice. So on this case, it actually looks pretty nice and very futuristic in a way, but they do give you guys this little strap here to strap the product on. So if you guys do open it up, there's a zipper on both sides for you guys to open it. And once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So it seems like right here, the way how I designed it is like a clip-on design. Maybe there's a magnetic part here as well, but it does seem like it's a clip-on design to hold it in place on top of the zipper. But pretty cool how they do have a case for you guys for the product. And then once you guys do take it out, here is what the product looks like. So obviously for this product, they do have this available in a few different colors. So depending on what color you guys prefer, that is totally up to you guys. I end up going for the orange-blue color here. And I believe they have one that's in black or white. So here it actually looks like on this side here on the side. Here is the back. So the back part here says Torras Coolify 3 Special Edition. So this is like a limited edition version. And then here is our side. If you guys do look at the bottom part right here, there's some more stuff. So it looks like there's some button for you to press here. And then here is the USB-C option for you to plug it in to recharge it. And when you guys do kind of flex it, it definitely has a little bit of flexibility on here that feels kind of nice. And does feel kind of cool when you guys do feel certain parts in the interior parts here. And they do have some stickers inside right here to show you guys what to do. So on this side right here, if I do peel this sticker out, on this side right here, they show you guys how to press the power button to activate the product. And if you guys press the mode button, that will allow you guys to change the mode from cooling to fan mode only. I guess for this product, if you guys press the mode button for 1.5 seconds, you do have the option to use the heating option as well. Let me see if I can focus it for you guys. So right there. So all that information is provided for you guys on the product when you guys look at it, and also on the user manual if you guys do take a look. So I'll put that on one side for now. On the other side right here, there's also some more instruction to teach you guys how to use it. And pretty much on this side right here, they tell you guys to download the app if you guys want to use app control. So the app you guys want to download is called Torras Coolify Connect, which I actually showed you guys before from what I remember on the Coolify 2S. So I think what I'm gonna do right now is to connect it and show you guys how to charge it first, then we'll connect it on the app. So if you guys plug in the cable here onto the bottom, just plug it in just like this. Once you guys plug it in onto the bottom part right here, if you guys do look aside, pretty cool display on here to show you guys the battery percentage, how it's charging. So it looks like right now it might be 2 out of 3. You can see the bar, how 2 bars lit up. If you guys try to use it while it's charging, it does turn on. You guys can hear the speed when you guys do turn on. So press it 3 times to change the speed and press it 4 times to turn it off. So if I turn it on again, this is on low, this is on medium, and this is on high. And it seems like on the side right here, when you guys turn it on, that is how you guys know which setting you guys are using. You can see. So it seems like the setting that's available is gentle, normal, or hyper, which is low, medium, or high. If you guys do press on the button right next to it, which is the mode button, that will allow you guys to change the different mode from cooling to fan only. So it seems like when it's this color, that means it's fan only. And if you guys change it to this color here, that's probably the cooling option. So you guys can view that cooling option on here on top of the fan option when you guys use it. If you guys press and hold it, you can see how it changes to red, and that is pretty much the heating option for you guys to use. So if you guys press on the power button again, you guys can increase the heat level on here to the next one. Press again and it changes it to the highest one when you guys use that. If you guys just wait for a few seconds on here, you can probably start feeling the heat starting to build up on the side. But right now we're changing it back to the low setting first. for the cooling option. So that way we can connect on the app, then we'll test out the temperature to see how warm it does get or how fast it heats up. So let's open up the app here first. So it should be called a Coolify app. All right. So right here is what the app looks like. So you see how I do have the other one connected already, which is the Coolify 2S. So one right now, click on add device. And it should find the device on here once you guys turn it on. So let's turn on the device here first. So once you guys turn it on, it found the device immediately. You can see right there. So click on connect. And they tell you guys there's an update on here. So you do want to update the firmware on here first to make sure it's up to date. All right, so we just finished doing the update on here and see this is what the app looks like. So it does show you guys the battery percentage that's on here. It shows you guys different options for you guys to change the different settings on here. You do have the option to turn it on and off. If it's here how it turns on. If you guys want to change the different setting on here, just increase it. If it's here how it gets louder. If you guys change the other option here. Feel free to change all the different options available on here when you guys do use it. So it's pretty cool how they do have the option for you guys to either control just the side or the back, or you can use all of them at the same time. And if you guys are curious about how to change the different settings on here from like cooling to fan only to heating option, you pretty much just want to double tap it right here. So now it's fan only. Double tap again. That's heat option when you guys do use that. So feel free to increase it or lower it based on your own preference when you guys do that. And you do have the timer option on here for you guys to choose, so feel free to set a certain time if you guys want to as well. But that's pretty much everything that's on the app right here in terms of what it actually looks like. So what I'm doing right now is to turn it on using the cooling option first to see how fast it cools down, how fast it heats up when we do use that. So right now it's a cool option. So let's unplug the cable here first, and let me get my temperature checker that we have here. So if you guys do check the temperature that's inside this part right here where the cooling happens. Right now it's at 74 degrees. If I do turn it on, let's turn on max. If you guys do look at temperature that's on here, it starts decreasing and it goes down pretty fast, as you can see. Obviously, when you guys actually use it for yourself, you can feel a lot more that cooling effect that happens. So it goes down to 66 degrees, but it probably goes even lower when you guys actually use it. And if you guys turn on the fan only option, then there's no cooling effect and it stays at that temperature, or it probably goes a little bit higher. But when you guys use it on the heating option, which is what we have here at the moment, increase it to the max. Let's see how fast it heats up when you guys do it on here. So you kind of see how the temperature is slowly increasing, but it's not like increasing like super fast. So right now it's at 88 degrees and it's slowly building up. So it's not going to be like a heater where it heats up super fast when you guys use it, but it will heat up pretty quickly when you guys do use it. And you see how it's at 90 something degrees already. And depending on where you guys aim it, if you guys aim on the side here, it actually gets warmer on the side faster. And you see how I'll show you guys at 97 on the side. And when I do actually feel it, you really do feel a lot more that heating option that goes on the side, a lot more than the this part when you guys do feel it. And one thing that I just realized looking at the inner part right here, it's really cool how the color changes. If you guys turn on the cooling option, it will be like more bluish or purple color. But when you guys turn on the heating option, it changed to orange red if you see it inside right here. Let me see if I can show you guys in this angle there. So there's that part there, and also the other side that heats up as well, which is kind of cool. That way you guys know that it is heating up. And if you guys to check the temperature again now, at that point there is 101 degrees. So the temperature on here definitely heats up pretty well on here, but it won't be like super hot like a heater, so keep that in mind. Like right now it's at 106. And obviously when you guys use the heating option on here, it will use a lot more of that battery since it's like a heating element, and it will give you guys that very nice heating effect. But pretty cool design, you can see there. If I do change it back to the cool option, let me show you guys here on the side. You can see how it turns on there. And turn on max. When you guys do turn on the cooling option inside, you guys can see how the color dims. So it went back to like blue or purple, which is pretty cool. So I think just the design itself is actually pretty cool for what you guys do get on here. How when you guys turn on the cooling option, the color changes inside. And when you guys turn on the heating option, the color changes to orange, which is really awesome. But now let's put it on itself and see how it feels when you guys do use it. So just put it around your neck like this. I wouldn't say that it's like super comfortable, but it does give you guys a very nice secure fit, which is kind of nice. I'm going to turn on the cooling option on here first to see how it feels. So So when I turn on hyper, which is high speed on here, it does get pretty loud with the fan that's blowing directly up towards your face. But you do feel like that cooling element that's on the side right here that's cooling down on top of the fan option. So if you guys don't want to feel like that cooling effect when you guys use it and you only want to use the fan option only, just press it one time and that will turn off the cooling option, and all you guys are getting now is a fan option. If you guys are feeling cold and you guys want to warm up, just change it one time and turn up the heating element on here and it feels really warm. I would say for the heating part right here, it doesn't like heat up like super fast. It slowly builds up. So in a way, it's kind of like a nice safety feature as well. But I can definitely start to feel a little bit of heat feeling to build up on here already. And now as I'm talking to you guys, I can feel a lot more of that heat building up, just like how I saw earlier, how it changed it from like blue or purple to like orange color inside. I can feel a lot more of that temperature heating up. And I love how they actually show you guys the display on the app, so that way you guys can see what you guys are using. Like right now we're using warming option, so it shows you guys how it's blinking like orange inside. And when you guys change it to blue or like the green option, it shows you guys as well, which is kind of cool. And the green, there's nothing to really show you guys besides the wind option only, which is kind of cool. So definitely very cool design for whoever made this product. It actually feels really nice when you guys put it on, other than the fact that it's very secure into your neck. It could be a good and bad thing. Good because it's very secure, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. But bad because it might be a little bit too secure that it's a little bit tight on your neck. It might not be comfortable for some people. For me, it's not a big issue. As long as they give me the heating or the cooling option, then I'm fine. And supposedly for the battery capacity on here, it is 6,000 milliamp. So that should last you guys for quite some time depending on which one is used. And what I mean by which one you use is depending on the mode, whether if you guys are using heating option, cooling option, or fan only option. If you guys use everything on the lowest setting, especially like the fan only option on the lowest setting, then it should last for a really long time. If you guys use it for the heating option, it probably won't last as long. And they mentioned the time it takes you guys to recharge the unit is actually very fast. It'll probably take around 1.2 hours to recharge it from 0 to 100, since it does use the fast USB-C cable here to recharge it with support up to 18 watts. So when you guys look at the inside right now, you can see how orange it gets, which is pretty awesome. And if I just turn on the cooling option immediately on here, you guys can see that it will go back down. So just watch what happens right here. So I just activate the cooling option and just watch the color on here change. It's so cool to the point that it kind of looks and feels like it's magic. You can see how it's slowly disappearing. That's literally so cool. Never seen any other neck fan that actually does that. And it shows it on here, on the top part here, and also on the other side here as well when you guys do use that. And I think when you guys put your neck on here, it shows up even faster because it heats up or cools down faster when you guys do put your neck on there. So that's pretty much everything that's on the product. Now that I show you guys what the product looks like and how it does work and what you guys do get, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality portable neck fan that give you guys everything that's on here in terms of the cooling option, the fan only option, and heating option for you guys to use on here. That also give you guys a smart control like the app control to control stuff on there. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, that obviously don't buy one and save on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.